germs are a problem. So that's why I got the UVBrite self-cleaning water bottle.
The typical water bottle has 10 billion germs. Like, ew.
I take my water bottle pretty much anywhere I go, but no matter how much I clean it over time, it starts to get kind of that mildewy funk that I just can't get rid of.
So I finally found UVBrite.
It is the most advanced self-cleaning water bottle on the market. It has this little UV light, and it actually doesn't just purify the water inside of it, it actually purifies the bottle itself.
It kills 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, fungi, and more. All you gotta do is press this button.
I'm telling you, it's so easy. All you do is fill it with water, press the button, and your water is being purified. How cool is that?
It's the way that I can still enjoy nature. I just bring this with me. Total game changer.
Plus, it keeps my water really cold. I can put ice in it in the morning and it lasts all day.
So if you want peace of mind knowing that your water is 100% safe to drink, check out UVBrite.